Samsung's next big gamble is the Z Fold 7, which includes all of the new features we've been wanting. However, Samsung will face a major difficulty. Even if we only get a first glance at it, the Z Fold 7 will offer all new features. However, this time, Samsung is stuck with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 pricing. According to rumors early this year, Samsung will keep the Z Fold 7's price at $1,899, the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Then there's a tariff drama going on, and we discussed raising prices for the inexpensive lineup. Then Donald Trump imposed a 90-day moratorium. However, Trump has just placed fresh 25% taxes on Apple and Samsung phones manufactured outside of the United States, similar to an Android phone producer. The pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will increase dramatically as a result. To put it in perspective, if Samsung increased the price by 25%, that would be an additional $474 price increase just because of the additional tariffs, causing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to cost more than $2,300 for the base model Z Fold 7, which is a massive jump that leads many people to avoid the Z Fold 7 and stick with previous generations or go with alternatives. Even though Samsung is ahead of the competition with an extra storage upgrade, which equals 512GB for the same pricing, the price is tough to explain in the US market. However, if you're looking for a Z Fold 7 with discounted pricing, you should look at the product described in this video instead. Now, not many people were talking about it, but the cameras on the Z Fold 7 are practically confirmed, and allow me to give some useful information. Given the performance of the Galaxy S25 Edge's 200-megapixel main shooter, I believe the Z Fold 7 will perform admirably with the same sensor. We learned more about the damage units of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This year, Samsung will release not only 2, but 3 foldable phones, with a trifold phone not on the list. Instead, the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition will be released this year along with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The thinnest foldable phone from Samsung, with a substantially broader cover display and an even larger inside display than prior models. However, the source did not provide any additional information regarding the live demo units. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.